All right, welcome back to another video. Y'all didn't get a video last week because I got lazy. I ain't gonna lie, but we did some stuff last week and got the white box with 240 electronics. I got a math for the turbo. Downpipe is wrapped. I got fuel rail for the excessive manifold. I got new drain tube for the turbo oil because the other one's too short. What else did I get? Pause that real quick. If you see all this piping,
He's not a plumber, guys.
it's all this piping, but let's go over here real quick. Hot side is almost done plumbing up. I need like 8-10 inch piece to go in here to bring these together for the hot side. Cold side is still a pain because it's not the stock manifold. So the piping that says S13 intercooler piping is not gonna fit because different manifold. Also, oil catch can 1, oil catch can 2, and I got a piece of the wastegate. So manifold is bolted back up, turbo downpipe, everything is up. Just gotta put the hangers on the exhaust and throw it back in the car. So, and as you can see, we made some adjustments in here. But yeah, that's why y'all didn't get a video last week. So, hopefully I can get back to working on the car this week and get a G35 and get a motor installed. So.
Speaking of G35, we got the parts for this, getting them to the shop tomorrow so we can fix the steering issue.
Yeah, so hopefully Thursday this will be back on the ground, move it on its own power. We can move it out of the way, bring the G35 up, get it ready for transport, get the motor installed. But that's what's been going on, guys. Bought this damn blow-off valve connector for piping. Won't need it anymore because I picked that one up, and I needed a fire ring for my wastegate. Still haven't installed that yet either, but we're still here. Just working on a lot of other stuff. Something big, huge. I've been brainstorming. When it happens, you guys will know. Hope you guys support me just like you have here. So appreciate y'all, and be on the lookout for the next video.